Welcome back everyone. So far we have understood what money laundering is and how it works. Now the natural question is, why are AML laws needed at all? So let's understand this step by step. In the early days, banks were mainly focused on deposits, loan, profits. There were very few controls on who the customer is, where money comes from, how money is used. Criminals quickly realized this gap. They started using banks to hide illegal monies, to move funds across countries, to make dirty money look clean. Governments then realized one thing very clearly: if banks are misused, crime will grow rapidly. That is why AML laws were created. AML laws force financial institutions to identify customers, understand source of funds, monitor transactions, report suspicious activities. Without AML laws, banks may ignore risk, criminals may misuse system, society suffers. So, AML laws exist to protect financial service, reduce crime, maintain trust, ensure transparency. As an AML professional, always remember, you are not working for the bank alone, you are working for the system. That mindset is very important. Thank you.